Piny Kenya pod rito duoko mowuok kuom riwruok mar Ford Foundation kalure gi mano ma osebed kilieko gi piny owacho ni gichiwo sir mar omenda ne rawere mosebedo ka bago ng'anyo e pacho ka. Mawach gi jagoro mogire migawo mar rango tudruok gi pinje maoko Korir Sing'oei e kinde mane otwak gi wang' jowi ma Citizen TV.
We expect Ford Foundation to respond formally through the normal channels of communication. So I'm sure they put out a small statement to the media just to say, listen, all the information is out there. But certainly, that information out there doesn't contain the details that we are asking for, in terms of providing us the content on, what are these projects about, what are the proposals, who are the beneficiaries, and are you monitoring to make sure that you are not in violation as Ford Foundation of your non-lobbying policy? Because under US law, Ford Foundation and its money is not supposed to be deployed to carry out lobbying activities, whether in the US itself or in third countries. So really, it's a conversation between us as Kenya government and the Ford Foundation, and it's a request for information, it's a request for accountability, and it's a very respectful conversation.